Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you all for subscribing and liking my previous video, and I actually thank you. Today we'll be doing two-side cornrow and this is my hair, and please subscribe, like and share to support my YouTube channel. And today we'll be doing tutorial on two-side cornrow, and this is the attachment, one pack attachment, and I'll be dragging the attachment and now I'm combing it. To do the two-side cornrow, you have to share the hair into two parts. Make it straight guys, straight line. You have to make it straight. Now I'm adding oil onto the hair. And the next thing is to add gel to your hair. And please, you can choose not to add gel depending on what you want and what you like. And I added gel to the hair so the hair can last longer and make it shiny. And after having the gel, you have to brush the hair onto the gel, make it smooth. So I'm brushing the hair. And right now I'm braiding it. So I'm actually adding the attachment little by little and also the hair little by little. So guys, you don't have to wash it when you're doing this style. You don't actually have to wash it. You have to take the hair gently together with the attachment. Clean it gently so that you will not end up with rough edges. Doing the same thing I did before, adding gel onto the hair. Brushing it to smoothen it. Next thing is to weave it. So guys, doing this hairstyle, you don't have to rush it. You have to be taking the hair little by little with the attachment onto the hair, so everything can go along. If not, maybe you'll be leaving some hair behind. Doing it little by little. So this style is actually very simple. You can do it yourself and you can also do it on someone's hair. It's a very simple hairstyle. You don't have to rush it guys. Add the hair little by little with the attachment so everything can smoothen together. Then you braid the hair. That is it guys. It's actually a very simple hairstyle. Next thing you're going to do is to lay your edges with the gel control. And naturally tie the hair with a scalp so everything is smooth and I get dried. Yeah, that is it, guys. Please subscribe, like and share my video. And how do I look? Please feel free to comment. And have a nice day. Bye.